Welcome to our tutorial on how to add funds to your Thinkorswim account. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. So, if you are ready to trade and want to ensure you have money in your account, stay tuned. First, you need to log into your Thinkorswim account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Account tab located at the top of the page. Click on it to access your account information. From there, navigate to the Funding section. Here, you will see options for adding funds to your account. Next, choose your preferred funding method. Thinkorswim typically offers several options such as electronic funds transfer, wire transfer, and checks. For this tutorial, we will focus on electronic funds transfer since it is the quickest and easiest way. After selecting this option, you will need to enter the amount that you want to deposit and select the bank account you wish to transfer funds from. Finally, review the details of your transaction to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button to initiate the transfer. Keep an eye on your account balance as it may take a few moments for the funds to appear. And that's it. You have successfully added funds to your Thinkorswim account and are now ready to start trading. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.